In this video, I'll show you how to delete apps on your Samsung smart television. So if you want to go in, remove an application, maybe it's not working, or maybe you just want to free up some space, then we can do this in just a couple easy steps. So first, just grab your Samsung TV remote and you need to press the home button located in the middle here. Now, once you're on the Samsung home screen, we're going to scroll all the way over to the left and you need to find this icon here called apps and then press OK. Now, once you're on the apps page, we can scroll all the way down to the bottom of this window, and right down at the bottom here, you'll see this thing called downloaded apps. So now all you need to do is go and locate the application that you want to go and remove. So let's say, for example, I wanted to delete YouTube. Well, all you would need to do is hover your mouse cursor over the YouTube app. Then from here, hold down the OK button located in the middle of your remote. And as you can see, this will pop up with the menu and we can just simply click on the delete button to go and delete this app. It will say, are you sure you want to delete YouTube? I'm going to select yes. And just like that, the app is now being deleted. If you ever want to reinstall this in the future, then you can always do so on this apps window here. You can just come up to the search box in the top navigation, go and search for the app that you want to install, and you can install it directly from this page. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you with the next one.